GitHub Actions genuinely runs a real, automated workflow like tests or a build on every push defined in one YAML file living right in the repo. In this video you'll write a real working workflow. This real file, at exactly this path, defines a genuine GitHub Actions workflow on push, means it runs on every real push. This real jobs section genuinely spins up a fresh Ubuntu machine, checks out the code, and runs actual real commands in sequence. A real workflow file at .github workflows *.yml defines a GitHub Actions automation. On push genuinely triggers the workflow on every real push to the repo. Each real step runs in sequence on a fresh, genuine virtual machine. Add a real .github workflows test.yml to a project that runs your test suite on push. Ready to mark a real, specific point in history as a release?